Are you in search of the top 3D scanning services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as the go-to company for high-quality 3D scanning services in the area. When it comes to 3D scanning, precision and accuracy are of utmost importance. And that's exactly what you can expect from Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Their team of professionals is well versed in the latest scanning techniques and equipment, ensuring that every scan is done with meticulous attention to detail. Whether you need a small object scanned or a large-scale project, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires a customized approach. That's why they take the time to understand your specific requirements and tailor their scanning services accordingly. Their team of experts will work closely with you throughout the process, ensuring that your expectations are not just met, but exceeded. In addition to their exceptional scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers a range of other related services. Whether you need 3D printing, reverse engineering, or product design and development, they have the expertise to deliver top-notch results. With their comprehensive suite of services, you can rely on Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to be your one-stop solution for all your scanning and design needs. So why wait? Experience the top 3D scanning services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, Delhi NCR with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. Are you in search of the top 3D scanning services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your 3D scanning needs. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, you can expect nothing but the best from this company. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is renowned for their exceptional services in the field of 3D scanning. Whether you need a 3D scan for architectural purposes or for product design, they have got you covered. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from the crowd. With their team of skilled professionals and cutting-edge equipment, they provide accurate and detailed scans that are second to none. Whether you are in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad or anywhere else in the Delhi NCR region, you can rely on Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to deliver top-notch results. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is what sets them apart from other companies in the industry. What makes Scon Design India Pvt Ltd the top choice for 3D scanning services in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad? Apart from their expertise and advanced technology, they also offer competitive pricing and timely delivery.